What's up, guys? I remember when I got into sales. I remember it like it was yesterday. You know why? Because I didn't want to do it. I wanted nothing to do with being in sales. In 1993, the only jobs hiring were sales jobs. It was just, you either do this or not. As a matter of fact, my first sales job was selling knockoff perfume at a mall. Like, they would drop me off with this box of perfume that I had to go try to spray on people and then get them to buy it for less cost than like Polo or whatever, Chanel Red or something like that. But like, it was devastating. Then I stepped up to vacuum cleaners. I sold vacuum cleaners. And that was the first time I had made $2,500 in a month. But it taught me a lot, and I've enjoyed this ride. Luckily, nobody else would hire me. And sales has transformed my life and has given me the ability to buy back my time with my kids and my family and my friends instead of trading my time with a job. So if you're considering sales, I urge you to go into it and learn as much as you can. There's so much more knowledge out there now than I had when I started. You guys have no excuse because you've got the internet. Who else out there likes sales? Follow me for more info on this in the auto broker world. Have a good day.